the whole scrapbook or crafting show on HSN's Facebook page. And Steph's been on it multiple times. She's been on the air multiple times, and she makes really darn cute stuff. Check this out. This is called the Gingerbread card. It's a stamp and die set. I love the gingerbread in a bathing suit, or a traditional ginger man, or a ginger woman, or a ginger person. That's what we're talking about. Stephanie, welcome back. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Hi, Suzanne. How are you doing?
I am good. How are you, sweetie?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. And you know what? I'm so excited about this Fold It set. And first of all, right off the bat, what I need to do is explain what is a Fold It. Well, a Fold It card is a shaped card. It's going to be cut into an A2 size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 standard card size, but it's actually a shaped card. Now, when I designed shaped cards way back in the day, I always did it because my grandma years and years, 100 years ago practically, would give me shaped cards for my birthday, for Christmas, and things like that. And so I wanted to bring that to card making. And so here we go. We have our cute little gingerbread guy, and literally you can make him a card. Now, before I explain to you what a card, how you make the card and all of that kind of stuff, you can also use these in scrapbook pages, on banners. You can even use it with our box it card that we took on HSN, that's on the website, hsn.com. You can make it into a little box if you want to, but there's so many different awesome ideas on how to make this cute little gingerbread guy. Here's another cute little one. It comes with this, it comes with the little outfit. So you're gonna get the little outfit. You're gonna also get the dies to make the cute little icing pieces, and the cute little face, and the cute little buttons even. Oh, here's a cute one, get well soon. You can make it look like somebody's taken a bite out of it just by using your scallop circles that you already have. But look at how cute that is. You're gonna open it up and it's gonna say hang in there. Isn't that cute? Here's another example with them wearing that little outfit. It's just so cute. You can add little wiggly eyes if you want to. Here's another one with his little bite taken out. Look how cute that icing is. You can add that. You can add a little button. Now let me show you what dies you're gonna get in the kit. You are actually gonna get the shadow die, which is the most important one, and then all of these layering pieces. Now there's so many layering pieces, I had to even give you an extra card of all the other dies, excuse me. Look at all the icing pieces you're gonna have. You're gonna have that cute little outfit. Now the most important part about this die is on the back, it says place fold here, and then it also says it on the side. Now why does it do that? Well, let me show you how easy it is to do. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of cardstock, standard cardstock. The hardest part about doing this is you're gonna simply fold it in half. That's all you have to do. You can use a bone folder to make that a nice crease. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that die, and because it says place fold here, here's my fold right up here, I'm gonna put that die, that fold right on the inside of my die. So you can see that that little edge of my die is right up there at the top. I'm gonna run that through my die cut machine, and it fits in any standard 6-inch machine. And then I'm gonna get this. Look at that. Now, one problem with my little guy, he kind of has a funny looking head here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to die cut an extra one, and I'm gonna be able to adhere that right on top. So we're gonna do that really quick right now. We're just gonna add a little bit of adhesive to get that piece on top. And now we're gonna have the perfect little shaped gingerbread guy card. Look at that. Now, we're gonna use the layering pieces and all the extra pieces, and I've already die cut that. I've added the cute little icing on the back. I've added his cute little face, the little buttons that come in there. I could have added the little bow tie, the little pocket, the little heart button or the star button, but I just added this cute little guy right here, just like this, and I'm gonna add adhesive to him, and then I'm going to layer him right on top of that shadow, just like that. And now, that's how easy peasy it is to make a gingerbread card. Now, you also get all these awesome stamps, and let's go over here and I can show you these fun stamps. You're gonna get a lot of different sayings. You're gonna get gingerbread greetings, wishing you a yummy holiday season, have a sweet Christmas, let's get together soon, a treat for someone sweet, holiday hugs, from me to you, gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes, goody goody gumdrops, and I love you this much. And look at how absolutely positively adorable he is when you dress him up. You can add those cute little pockets on there. You can add the cute little outfit. And look, he's even looking off to the side. Oh, and it even comes with this little bow tie, so you can have that be in his, as a bow tie, or you can use it to make a little girl if you want to. Isn't that cute? Look at her cute little bow up at the top. So now you get to mix and match boy or girl, that's up to you. Now, I want to show you this cute one because when I became a grandparent with my baby twins, look at a customer sent me this one. Isn't this the most adorable little card? This is my grandsons, Liam and Miller, but look at how cute that is. And open it up, there's your little card. You can even have them hold hands. Imagine doing this as a banner and doing a whole bunch of them holding hands just like that.
Can you imagine, Stephanie, what I would do too is have everybody come make their own and then hang them on the Christmas tree as ornaments.
Oh my goodness, that would be fantastic.
Everybody does their own
that would be awesome.
It'd be a really cute little family project to do and a great memory, and then they sign the back. All right, here's an update for you. I have less than 2,000 left. This is absolutely brand new today. Again, 5 flex, $5 to ship everything in crafting today. You will not pay more than one $5 bill. So go crazy and have fun with this. And I want to show you too on the stamps. Steph always makes them so that you can use them for everything. When I saw some of these stamps, I thought, how cute if I was making cupcakes or I was making cookies and giving them as a gift, and I want to make a tag. So when you get the stamps, understand, I love that she gives you enough general statements that if you love to make Buckeyes, you know, for holidays and you put them in a box, then you can use this to actually stamp a sweet note on it. So I love that about Steph, because you do think about how to use these outside of just strictly the ginger people.
Awesome. Yes. As a matter of fact, you're also going to get the idea booklet. So we always like to put a little idea booklet in most of our items for HSN because that's going to give you the basic directions on how to do that. And then it's going to give you a ton of inspiration. It's going to show you some great ideas that's going to give you the information that you need to create these on your own. Now, another thing that I also want to mention, you mentioned ornaments, Suzanne. Imagine die cutting these out of felt. You can easy die cut these out of wool felt and then make your own ornaments. Can you imagine adding the little outfit, the little things onto them? Oh, here's even a purple guy. You could even go crazy and go purple with different colors. And then here's a fun one. Look at this. It's actually a cookie. It looks like a little cookie sheet. And it looks like that. I know. Isn't that crazy? I just love this guy.
That's adorable.
Adding little glitter paper, adding the little holly leaves to it. And it's just perfect. Oh, and then look, it's even a card, but look at that.
Oh,
can you imagine sending this to someone? I know. I love that one.
Well, Stephanie, we love you and we thank you for joining us. I know you'll be throughout the day, so we'll see you a little bit later.
Yes,
and thanks for hanging out tonight.
Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.
Merry Craftsmas.
Merry
Okay, we're
Craftsmas.
moving right on. Am I going to go straight over? Don't forget, guys, a little heads up. We do have the mini cinch available brand new today. I gave a sneak peek at it on my Facebook show.